everything.
Forecast is to crest around 13.9 feet late this afternoon. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 12.4 feet on May 31st, 2015.
Oh, doubleheader.
This is an important message for the following county: Wayne, Michigan.
Oh, that's me.
The National Weather Service Detroit, Pontiac has issued a flood warning for the Rouge River in Detroit. From now until further notice. At 9 a.m. Saturday, the stage is 12.5 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast is to rise above flood stage by late this afternoon and crest around 15.5 feet this evening. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 17.2 feet on February 21st, 2018. The climate report